Hey there! In this video, we're going to walk you through how to use the pending review feature in the Service Jobs module of Flawless POS. This is great when you want to send progress images, leave notes, or get visual feedback from your customer before continuing the job. Let's get started. To begin, head to Flawless POS and open the Service Jobs section. Click the eye icon at the top right of the grid, and make sure the customer review column is checked. Once visible, this column will show one of three statuses: pending review, approved, or rejected. Next, pick a job you'd like to send for review. Click the three-dotted button on the right side of the row and select Send for Customer Review. In the dialog window, set the review status to pending review. In this example, we're working on a job that already includes 2 photos saved inside the job file. We'll go ahead and select those 2 images to share with the customer. We'll also upload one new photo showing the work completed, so the customer sees it saved live to the review. You can upload images from the existing job files, your local device, a connected device, or even capture them straight from your webcam. Any images added here are automatically saved to the job file after it has been sent to the customer, so there's no need to re-upload later. You can also click on each image to leave comments or notes before sending. Once you've added everything, you'll be prompted to choose how to contact the customer. You can send it via email or SMS. You'll see a message template ready to go. To modify this template, go to the Templates section of the Communications module and search for Job Review under Services. Once ready, send the message. From the customer's side, here's what they'll see. They'll get a link to review the job. Once they click it, they'll land on the Service Job Review page. Here, they can see the job title, job number, and status, any notes or instructions, and all attached review images. Under each image, they can add comments, upload their own files, or leave reviewer notes. At the bottom of the page, customers will see 2 buttons: Send for Rework or Approve. If they click Send for Rework, the job status updates to Review Rejected, Rework Required, and the Customer Review column will show Rejected, along with the rejection date. If they click Approve, the status will update to Review Approved, and the column will show Approved with the approval date. In our example, let's say they reject the review. Before submitting, they upload a photo showing adjustments that are needed and add a comment. Once submitted, the customer review status in the service job updates to Rejected together with the rejection date. The rejection feedback, including the image and comment, are now fully visible to your team. Whether it's the manager, a jeweler, or anyone else on the repair, they can view the customer's inputs directly from the service job. This ensures your team can act on feedback without needing to chase emails or notes manually. And of course, if the review had been approved, the status would instead update to Approved, and the customer review column would reflect that approval with a date. To view a full history of what happened, click the 3-dotted button again and choose Customer Review History. This shows a detailed timeline of all customer review interactions, including approvals, rejections, and comments. It keeps everything transparent and easy to track. And that's it. You've just seen how to use pending review to send annotated updates, gather feedback, and keep your customer in the loop, all inside Flawless POS. Thanks for watching.